Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. Cadillac is driving the world forward. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.